Good morning, student. Today we are going to study about consumption function. It is also known as propensity to consume. Okay. So first we have to understand what is the consumption function. My dear student, it is very simple. In an economy, whatever income earned, it is going to be distributed into consumption. Consumption means whatever the goods and services produced by in an economy is going to be consumed. So whenever income is going to increase, consumption also increase. It is a direct relation. Okay, it is a direct relation. When income is increases, consumption also increases. Direct relation. So what is this thing you have to observe? You can simply say that C is equal to function of Y. As the consumption increases, it means income is also increases. My dear student, so apart from this consumption, we are going to study about what is the average propensity to consume. So average propensity to consume means you have to see here average propensity to. So I take an example. When in an economy 1000 crore rupees is income, okay, consumption is how much? 900 crore. So saving is equal to 100 crore. Okay, simple. If income is increases 1100 crore, okay, the consumption also increases. So how much consumption increases? 980 crore. So what is the saving? My dear student, 120 crore is the saving. So you see the simple logic here. When income increases, consumption also increases, as well as saving also increases. Then come to the how to calculate APC. APC means average propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume means that whatever C means consumption divided by income. C you can say that, but your desired consumption, okay, I upon Y, that is called income. See here 900 crore. You see first situation. 900 crore is the consumption and income was 1000 crore. So what is the APC? Is simple, but 0.9. So you put here 0.9. Okay, simple. Next, if you want to calculate this situation, APC, what is the formula? APC, that is 980 crore was the consumption, 1100 crore was income. So you cut it here. Okay, you got answer that 0.89 crore is the APC, 0.89. Okay. Now, what is the MPC? MPC means delta change. MPC means marginal propensity to consume. Okay, marginal propensity to consume. So how to calculate? Simple, delta C upon delta Y. Simple. Whatever you have got. So how to calculate delta C? Here 980 minus 900. Okay, 980 minus 900. Okay, how to calculate delta income? 1100 minus 1000, how much? 80 upon 100 is equal to cut 0, 0.8. So 0.8 is the MPC of here. Okay, 0.8. So my dear student, if you want to calculate APS, okay, APS has same logic. Okay, APS means saving upon income. Okay, APS, whatever saving, that is upon income. The first is that what is the saving? 100 upon income was 1000. So 0.1. Okay, simple. And next, if you want to calculate APS of here, saving upon income, what was the saving? 120 crore. Okay, upon 1100 crore. What is the answer? Simple, 0.11. So you put here 0.11. Next, MPS. What is the MPS logic? MPS means whatever you see, MPS is equal to delta S upon delta Y. So what is the delta S? You just see here, 120 minus 100 upon, what is the delta income? 1100 minus 1. So what you got? 2 upon 100, 0. So you put it here, 0.2. So my dear student, I hope you understand all this topic. It is very simple. Whenever you have any numerical question, you simply see that how to calculate the consumption function. First you have to understand relationship between the income and consumption. Here, if the income is going to increase, your consumption is also increases. Okay, as well as your savings also increases. If your income is 1000 crore and 1100 crore, your consumption also increases from 900 to 980. Okay, similarly saving also increases 100 to 120 crore. Okay, so you have to first calculate APC. What is the APC? Average propensity to consume. Average propensity to consume formula is C upon Y. Okay, simple. C means consumption, Y means income. So what is the consumption? 900 and 1000 is income. So 0.9 is APC of here. So if you want to calculate in this situation APC, simply 980 upon 1100 crore is equal to 0.89. Okay, simple. Next, come to the MPC. MPC means marginal propensity to consume. Formula is delta C upon delta Y. Simply, whatever the delta C means consumption. 980 crore minus 900 here. Delta income is 1100 minus 1000 is equal to 80 upon 100, 0.8. So 0.8 is APC. So now, if you want to calculate APS of here, simple, S upon Y. S means saving. Saving is what? 100 upon 1000. So you get a 0.1. Okay. Next, if you want to calculate in this situation, what is the saving? 120 upon 1100, that is 0.11. Okay. So last is MPS. MPS means delta S upon delta Y. Okay. So what is the delta S? So you need to calculate 120 crore minus 100 crore. Okay. Upon delta Y. Delta Y means income. Change in income. So what is the change in income? 1100 minus 1000 is equal to 20 by 100 is equal to 0.2. I hope you understand, my dear student. It is a very simple. Whenever you need to calculate this thing, you have to calculate all type of numerical with the help of this relation. So You understand very well? Thank you, my dear student.